Objectives: to know the different regions of the electromagnetic spectrum and their uses. We have already learnt about the nature of electromagnetic radiations, the visible, ultraviolet and infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Now let's learn about the other regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. X-rays. The X-ray spectrum extends from 10 nanometers to 0.01 nanometers. These rays have high energy and are potentially hazardous to health. X-rays are generated by rapid deceleration of fast-moving electrons and also when energy of the innermost orbital electrons is altered. X-rays are used to photograph the bones of the body to detect fractures. This is possible as X-rays are capable of penetrating solid objects. Security personnel at airports screen baggage for explosives, guns, or any other objectionable material using X-rays. In industries, it is used to find cracks in structures. Gamma rays. Gamma waves are generated by unstable radioactive elements and have the smallest wavelength, which is less than 10 raised to the power -2 nanometers. Being highly penetrable, gamma rays can cause serious illnesses. However, when used in controlled conditions, gamma rays are useful in curing dreadful diseases like cancer. In radiation therapy, gamma rays produced by cobalt-60 are used to kill cancerous cells in the human body. This is how malignant cells in the body are killed. Microwaves. Microwaves behave more like radio waves than light waves. They are electromagnetic waves with wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter. They are naturally emitted by surfaces such as soil, vegetation, snow, and water. At some wavelengths, microwaves do not get absorbed by the atmosphere, thus permitting microwave imaging from space through clouds and haze. Microwaves are used for wireless communication. Most of the distant telephone calls that we make are carried via networks of microwave relay links. Microwaves are also used in microwave ovens to warm foods quickly, efficiently, and evenly. Radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum, with wavelengths ranging up to 1 kilometer. These waves can be as short as a football and longer than a football field. Our radios receive these waves in form of signals transmitted by radio stations. They also carry signals for television and cellular phones. So as you sit watching TV in your living room, it is not only the visible light that strikes your eyes. There are many other waves around you, like radio waves, microwaves from your mobile phone, waves from your car's GPS units, and also waves from your neighbor's Wi-Fi. There are waves from all across the spectrum passing through the room. So with all these waves around us, as we watch TV or tune into our favorite radio station, we are able to perceive only a specific region of the EM spectrum, with wavelengths from 400 to 700 nanometers, which is the visible light region of the spectrum, but cannot perceive other wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum. To learn more about the world around us, scientists and engineers have devised ways that enable us to see beyond the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Let's summarize. X-rays are used to photograph the bones of the body and detect fractures. Gamma rays are used for cancer detection by bone scanning techniques. Microwaves are used for wireless communication and also in microwave ovens to warm food quickly, efficiently, and evenly. Radio waves are used by the radio to bring music and also carry signals to the television and cellular phone.